What's going on YouTube? Bad Disturb back with another video for you guys. And today I have made my mind with the situation that the offer that was given to me. Excuse me, I'm driving at the moment. We have made a deal between me and the person that I am going to get all the SRT stuff that I sold to him, and 2 engines and I think 2 transmissions. I'm not sure what transmissions they are, but anyhow, I get all that stuff back, plus I get to keep the PT Cruiser if I change the engine in his 1 gen. See, he recently bought an engine off of me. There was a single overhead cam, and he's wanting me to put it in for him so he can drive it. So I agreed to that, and he agreed to give me all the stuff that I need to fix the RT. So we are on the way to get his car, get all the parts, and bring everything back to Bad Disturb headquarters. So that's what we're going to be doing. I just got a U-Haul trailer, put it behind the Ram, and I got the engine hoist and a jack to lift the engines and stuff up into the truck, because I don't want to, break my damn back. So we'll get it figured out. On the road, as you see, we are on the road heading to get this stuff. And everything else behind the truck, as you can see. But I got a little bit before I get there. I will chime back in when I get there and get everything loaded, which is going to be the fun part. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright YouTube, we're back. We got everything loaded. We got some stuff in the back of the truck. We just got done loading up his car. You can see it back here. We're going to be replacing the engine in. Like I said, we're putting another single overhead cam in it. And then I'm supposed to get all my SRT swap stuff back. So if you would like to see us swap the engine in it, like on this video, and if I get enough likes, then I will upload it, film it and stuff. But I'm on my way back to the house, and once we get there, I'm going to be unloading the car and getting started on it, because I only got till Monday to get it done. So I'll let you guys know how it goes when we get back. What's going on YouTube? Bad Disturb back with the update on the car here that we're working on. Go ahead and show you what we got. We got the engine tore out this morning. This is day 2. We got the engine taken out, and we got the engines over here, the one that came off. We're going to be separating the transmission from the engine probably later tonight. And we got the new engine on the engine stand here. There we go. Engine on the engine stand. Going to put it in the back of the Ram. Take this thing over to Bry's house. Get the new gaskets and water pump and everything put in it right away. And we're going to try our best to get Jordan his car back by Monday. So Jordan, if you're watching, man, we're working hard. And so we're going to get this thing running again. I don't know if you all want to see the car. Some of you is going to say it's rice, but this car, to me, it's not my car, but it reminds me of the past. It reminds me when I was growing up in a time that this was not looked down on. This was what you called a build back in the day. Someone took a lot of time and money. One part, you know, at one time this car was loved, very much loved. And you don't hardly see that much anymore in the car community. We're always, there's too much hate in the car community, I think, anyway. But anyhow, this car probably had $5,000 or $6,000 worth of fucking paint work done to it at one time, and from the looks of it, it used to be a white car. It used to be someone's baby at one time, I would say. But we're doing this for Jordan because I need stuff for my 1 gen. So that's what we're doing this for him for. I got an engine off of him right here for the RT, and we're going to get this thing going. Should be done, I'm going to say, by Sunday night. It should be moving under its own power. Sunday night into Monday morning, I'm hoping to have it done. Because we've really, in the short time we've had it, we've already got the engine out. And it's only been here a day. If we had more time, and if I had more help, we'd probably have this thing done within a day and a half. If we stayed on it. But anyhow, guys, the tire blowed on the back here. That's why there's a dummy. Car's been sitting a while. That's why there's paint issues. But the tire, when I was pulling it with my truck, is out here outside the garage, and there is the tire. Wow. I don't know if it was dry rotted or if it was low on air or whatever it was. It popped when I had it on the dolly. But thankfully Jordan had his tool set, and I had my jack, and we changed the tire at a truck stop on the way to my house, and we got it squared away. But that's the update that we got for right now, guys. I will bring you the next update when we get the engine back in the car. Maybe I'll do the YouTube snap, see if it works. Now, ain't nothing working here. Hold on a minute. Oh, what do you know? It works. Only thing we got left to do, guys, is I need to take this Indy intake off because there's no way a hose is getting on right there. Need to hook up a lot of stuff yet. Need to do the wiring, axles, everything. So I'll let you know when all that stuff's done. But don't you just love YouTube magic? Wish I had it in my everyday life. Well, guys, we got the motor in it, and it's not running yet because the gas line needs to be replaced. There's other odds and ends that's keeping it from running, but I talked to the owner, and he's going to take care of it. So we're going to be getting a U-Haul dolly and taking it back up to him. So as of right now, this car is done from being in the garage, and the engine's in. It fought us tooth and nail to get it to where it's at, but it's a nice old school build. But that's it for this one right here. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm Bad Disturb, Mopar No Car, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.